have here a 430 Scuderia and a 458 Italia. With only a few units produced and only a handful of these in the country, we're quite lucky to have one delivered here so we can protect it with our Modesta glass coatings and Autozkin PPF. After a thorough inspection and checklist, our team proceeded to degrime, detail, and paint correct the whole car prior to our coating process. Wheels, brake calipers, and the interior were also coated as part of this package. And then the car was finished off with our super strong Autozkin PPF, ensuring that it will be in perfect condition for more years to come. Okay guys, that's it for the 430 Scuderia. For the 458 Italia, stay tuned, that's another video for you guys. If you want to give your car the same amount of protection that we did, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.